I've recently created Listomatic, which is a enterprise-grade to-do list application built without code. I did this because I've been using to-do list applications for some time and I've not found one that I'm really happy with. I went ahead and built an application with the kind of features that I really wanted. Let's have a look. So here you have your static lists on the left and you have your customer created lists further down. Let's create a new list. Let's call it roadmap and let's add a to-do list item. We can check the item when it's done, or we can edit the item. Or we could move it to a different list. We can also delete it. I've created a sorting option alphabetically, by creation date, or by completed, ascending or descending. A very cool feature is the ability for customers to create their own theme headers with a gradient. So let's generate a new one. And there you have it. You can create as many different gradients as you'd like. I've also created a search feature to quickly view certain keywords at a glance. Let's search for Carla. And there we go. We've got a new search. There's Carla's name, and we can find the to-do list item Carla in client requests. Included in the tutorial is full access to the app itself, so you can double check certain features that I've included, or if you get lost on a certain workflow, it will all be there for you to have a look at. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to build. So good luck, and I'll see you soon.